to the Nosvw channel. Today's video is on Rod Harris's 1973 panel van we restored. Rod bought the van for £600, so you can imagine how rusty, and it was pretty stripped, no engine, no gearbox. It was just basically a rolling shell. It was painted NATO green. I'll start from the front. New front panel, doors Californian, both sides. This door, Rod managed to find a panel van, right-hand drive panel van door, which was really hard to get from South Africa. It needed no work at all. Arches, seals, all the floors, rear chassis leg on this side, these panels, the roof, and these two panels are the only panels in the van that haven't had work. They're the only original panels left. Corners, Californian engine lid I should say, and hatch. Let's look at the engine. The engine is a 1776 built by Gary Angel Racing, my brother Luke. It has got straight cut gears, 40 Webbers, a breather box by CB Performance pulleys. Yeah, it's an absolute beast. It easy cruises at 70 miles an hour. It's on the standard 1600 gearbox, which seems to cope quite adequate for it really. As you can see in the engine bay, all these trays, apart from the chassis number there, all these trays me and Rod welded in, they're all rusted out. All this corner's been replaced. Absolute, this is some of the most metal work on the back. All the corners on this side, all the seals on this side, and obviously these two are original. Let's have a look at the inside. The dash was black crinkle, but I wasn't keen on it, so I had it blasted and we painted the same, the body colour, which I think makes it look a lot more classic and older. The glass is all tinted. We managed to get the side glass and quarter glass from Cool Campers. He had a rare late set of green tinted glass for a bay window, deluxe. It's not quite finished inside, I won't show you the back. Obviously the seats are done, they're done by Leon at Concept Pop Tops. Steering wheel's painted, it's got a little rev counter, the little natty rev counter that fits in there, looks like a clock. Dash powder coated, all the wiring's all done and replaced. New headliner by Kevin Baggs. Here's some of the pictures we took, and obviously when we restored this van we didn't have digital technology as much. As you can see, look, yeah, what a mess. It really, most people would have probably broke this van. You can see how much work we did. We bought a rollover jig so you could roll it on its side to do a lot of the underside welding. As you can see, look, you know, even the inner sections of the corners are rusted off. Before you went to repair these before we put the corners on. All the floors have been out. That's all the floor out there, look, no floors. All the chassis was cleaned up and painted. That's the chassis leg. We cut it off from the middle join and replaced it to the torsion bar because it was that rusty. Acid etched the underside, and me and Rod bare metaled the hole underneath, and I painted it blue, and then a company called Body Care, see if I can find it, they did the top coat. Me and Rod bare metaled it obviously, and I put it in acid etch, but they did the top coat on it. I think that's what I did. That's the underside, and all the fixings and axle were powder coated black. As you can see here, there's some of the axle stripped out and powder coated. All the wiring is fully replaced.